In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a chart using data from several different worksheets. This is a handy technique that can help you visualize data more effectively by consolidating information from various sources into a single visual representation. Let's dive right in. To begin, we're going to focus on inserting a chart. Head over to the Insert tab, which you'll typically find at the top of your screen. Once you're there, you'll see various chart options that cater to different data visualization needs. For this example, we're going to create a pie chart. A pie chart is particularly useful for showing proportions and percentages at a glance, making it a popular choice for illustrating data distribution. Once you've selected the pie chart, you'll need to select the data that you want to represent. Click on the option to select data, which will allow you to add data that's relevant to your chart. Before you bring in your data, it's important to first give your chart a recognizable name. This provides clarity and context, especially if you're working with multiple charts. So let's name this chart Sample. After naming the chart, the next step is to clear any pre-existing data selections. You'll do this by clicking on the arrow next to the data range box. This effectively clears it out, signaling that you're ready to choose fresh data. Now navigate to the worksheet where your data is stored. This could be on the same worksheet or from a different one entirely. Highlight the specific data you need to include in your chart, ensuring you capture all the relevant information you intend to display. Once you've highlighted the necessary data range, go ahead and click OK. At this point, you may need to click OK again to finalize your selections and see your data represented in the chart format you've chosen. If all goes well, your data should now be beautifully visualized in the pie chart. Take a moment to review your chart and ensure it accurately depicts the data you selected. It's perfectly normal if something doesn't look quite right initially, or if you begin to see that a different type of chart may better suit your data. Remember, you always have the option to change your chart type even after you've created it. Experimenting with different chart types, such as bar, line, or area charts, can often lead to more insightful data interpretation, depending on what story you need your data to tell. And that's it. You've now successfully created a pie chart from data across different worksheets. I hope you found this guide helpful.